Agents have changed how work gets done. Instead of spending hours on manual lookups, a support rep can ask an agent to pull records in a matter of seconds. With over 2,000 customers and hundreds of upcoming renewals, this rep is doing a little bit of work with an agent to save time prepping contracts. What could possibly go wrong? The agent did what it was told. It found Acme's relevant financial records, and then some. The rep only needs access to his account, but the agent was built for the whole company to use and has access to the entire CRM database. So when prompted to look into renewal data, it naively reads sensitive records for thousands of other customers. That is the blast radius of an agentic access control failure. Without runtime controls, agents inherit unchecked authority and can act. Action becomes detached from context. Privilege gets excessive. Attribution breaks down. And if the agent does something it shouldn't, you have no kill switch. No way to know who prompted it, what happened, or why it was allowed. That is exactly the risk P0 security was built to mitigate. Security teams need agentic runtime access control to enforce policy at the point of every action, before the command runs, before sensitive data and resources are touched. P0 turns access policies into enforceable runtime controls by evaluating the blended identity, the invoking requester, the agent, and the business context against the policy in real time. In this case, the policy dictates that the agent can only query customer data if the support person has an open ticket assigned to them for that account. The decision is simple. Can this agent for this identity take this action on this system and this data right now? P0 checks the policy and grants access in real time, but only for Acme. Only for this session and scoped around that task. So least privilege access is granted as and when needed and revoked when the work is done. The support person then tries to query another account, but P0 recognizes the policy violation and denies access before the query can run. The agent offers to escalate for human-in-the-loop approval. This simple policy example enables powerful real-time and runtime control. For compliance purposes, P0 has a complete session history of every access decision that was made. Again, who initiated the request, which agent was used, which tools were called, and what sensitive data or resources were accessed. This allows teams to easily trace accountability and provide audit evidence at all times. In addition to runtime access control and audit logs, P0 inventories all AI agents and MCP servers in your environment, so you can easily discover shadow agents and pull them into your access governance program. AI agents are privileged actors inside your enterprise. The default access model today is either broad standing permissions with no oversight, no ownership, or complete lockdown. P0 enables zero standing privilege by default across every agent, every user, and the full action chain. Because when agents are asked to act, it's runtime.